Good morning, y'all. I am coming to you live from Exit 74 Fab, where they have given me a little bit more room to do some more work on the sculpture, and I'm super stoked to be here. Really soon, we are going to be joined by Stephanie Hoffman from her location. Good morning. So that we can talk about what the next steps are going to be in this sculpture. There we go. And Stephanie on here just a second. Wait for it. Wait for it. Good morning. How you doing? Oh, there we go. Get a little bit lower. Awesome. So how you doing, Stephanie?
Good.
Awesome. So I'm really excited because pretty soon we're going to be getting together to complete this sculpture. We've got some more stuff to do. So do you have your stuff ready?
I'm ready when you are.
Awesome. I'm ready now. Ta-da! Out here in New Jersey, and Stephanie and I are finally together. I think we need to shut that off because
I don't have to shut it off.
Just, I know, right? We totally got our stuff together this morning. How do I get out of it? There we go. Awesome. Finally out here in New Jersey, we've got all the parts together, and well, we got all the parts here. The next week, we're going to be spending together, coming together, putting the sculpture together, and we still have one more element to make, and that's the American flag that is going to drape across the front of the sculpture. So we've kind of still got it hidden. Good morning in Arizona. How you doing? Oh, thank you so much. So we're super stoked about this. I cannot be more honored to have this opportunity to work with you and the AWS in order to create the sculpture. But Stephanie brings so many amazing techniques and her knowledge in welding and fabrication to this sculpture. And I know, like, between the two of us, it is going to be amazing. I have goosebumps. I have total goosebumps. But her stuff is over here. Can I spin the camera over and kind of give it a look? The stuff that she's been making, and I've only seen it in video up until yesterday, and we've got some stuff kind of hanging around there so we can hide a little bit of it because we want it to be a little bit mysterious and not show you all the things so that we can do the big unveiling. But she's got this gorgeous base and this beautiful weld hood that she's created. Is the base all aluminum?
Yeah, the base is 100% quarter-inch aluminum. Yeah. And we got the copper sheet. We got some gold incorporated in there, but you're going to have to wait to see that. So.
Yeah, and the hood, like how she made the hood, which is right there, that is actually a sculpture that is not a real welding hood. It is freaking incredible. It is incredible. I got to watch the video of her making it and just seeing, check this out. Look at how you, like, can you show the back too? Look at this. Is this incredible? It's so amazing how she made it. That is completely, I know, right? Completely made out of aluminum. It's just incredible how she's done it. So I'm super stoked to be able to put all this together. We have been problem solving. Like yesterday was spent in, come back over here, doing some here. I can actually show you this. We've been kind of problem solving how we were going to create the flag, and it took us some while. It took us some while to kind of figure out what the best way to create this is. We tried, is it 18 gauge?
No, I think that's 20. We used
20 gauge. 20 gauge sheet steel, and one of our first ideas was to take it and cut pieces and kind of form and shape, and it wasn't giving us, you see the hammer marks there, it wasn't giving us even with heat, like, was not giving us the result that we wanted, the look that we wanted. And so we kind of scrapped that idea and have been playing back around with, zoom over here, has been playing back around with the 1/4-inch round bar. And so together we've got this framed right out and have started working. She's working from the right to the center. I'm working from the left to the center. And we're now just creating the movement in the flag. And she's got some amazing ideas on how to do the stars and the stripes. I'm super stoked about. I'm going to be learning so much while I'm here. I cannot wait. So just wanted to give you guys that update and share with you where we're at, which is New Jersey and Exit 74 Fab. So make sure you guys are following them over here on Instagram. They've got an Instagram page, so go check them out too, so you can see what they make in here, which is freaking incredible. They've got all the big trucks, which makes my heart really happy. And you should see the Jeep. Oh my gosh. I hope there's videos on that so you guys can go watch the Jeep, because
Zach,
I'm a Jeep
you got
girl.
videos of the Jeep on your Instagram page?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, you'll definitely want to look at the videos of the Jeep. Exit 74 Fab here on Instagram. Check them out too. And tell them thank you for letting us share the shop and share their space with us so that we can come together and do this. I'm really grateful for it. So thank you guys so much for joining us. Love you. See you soon. Do something today that is so badass that tomorrow becomes legendary.